This shape is called a cylinder. It has circular ends, and like a prism, if you sliced it anywhere along its length, you would get the same circle at the end. Strictly speaking, cylinders are not prisms, because for a prism, you're supposed to have a polygon and not a circle at the end. However, the formula for the volume is very similar. Let's suppose the radius here is r and the height is h. The area of the circular end is pi r squared. The volume of the cylinder then is pi r squared, the area of the cross section, times height. Now, as an example, imagine that the radius is 4 centimeters and the height is 7 centimeters. The volume would be pi times 4 squared times 7. Calculating that gives me 112 pi centimeters cubed. And if I calculate this, I get 351.9 centimeters cubed, correct to 1 decimal place.